My name is Clinton Atambo. I come from Makairo, here in Nyamira County. My mother has been the man in the house too, because my dad left us when I was in junior school. To see me through, it has been the labor of my mom, because sometimes I could report back to school with nothing, no school fees, no pocket money at all, because I understood my mother was jobless. I completed my high school studies last year from St. Kizito Boys High School in Nyansiongo, where I scored a B plane. I applied for aeronautical engineering, but the fees is too much. Right now it's a challenge. I feel like I'm stuck because the high school fees is worth 40,000 that I haven't cleared yet. I'm kindly asking for help from any well-wisher. I was supposed to report in school, the Technical University of Kenya, yesterday, on 4th September 2023. Their father ran away, left me with 4 kids. I have tried my best. My son Clinton has managed to score a grade good for the university. I have tried my best, but I am stuck. I don't have no job. I'm crying out for the government, please. Help my son to get brought back to school. That's all that I need. Whoever who hears this cry, please help my son. Thank you.